Look at that. This is called a aquarium. Wow, see this? What is holding the roof? Wow. My dear, you have seen the beauty of this country. Look at the sea. See, when you look, there's nothing which is working today. Everything, wow, everything is packed. Thank God it's the last day. Oh yeah. Wow. Uh-uh. See, everybody's taking pictures today. Mm. Mm. See? The National Korea. You want to go even? You want to go in? So, Mr. Ma, it's a gift shop. We just, it's open day. No, it's okay. Including public holiday. Wow, see there? Let me take a picture here. Yeah. See, Mama. Yeah. That's where people they come and park their cars. The weather not friendly. Look, so beautiful. Hi. The wind is too much. Look at that. All the umbrella they've been closing. Wow. Not even people, much people on the road. I hope we see a bus stop very near. Wow. Look at the sea. But the sky is gray and the wind. Oh. Don't tell us it's going to rain today. Yeah. That's the first public toilet we are seeing in here. Here, every toilet you go, you have to pay. But the good thing that the toilets are very nice and clean. They are not dirty. Very nice, to be honest. Even if you pay your money, you know you're getting a good service. That's what we can be thankful. You can even take your food and sit where the toilet is. You don't feel like you want to vomit. Or the smell, they don't smell at all. They don't. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. We are seeing unseen in my life. And certain things I could never thought in my life I'll see things like this. But look what we are seeing. Look at that hotel there, far away. Look at that one. Oh, these are their hotels. Thank God that we've had some people they can be fed throughout the year into their ear by nature. God created a sea surrounding this country, but they've made use of it. Wow. I'm telling you, we have heard a story yesterday. Even children, they are going to school for free. And if you go to Roman Catholic school, you just pay 70 euro for the whole year, just to contribute a little bit. But everything is for free. It's only, yeah, if you want to go for private, it's your choice and you have to pay. Otherwise, everything is for free. And it's not like a very bad schools. Everything, you see the way the country look like. Even the children, the way you see them, you talk to them, you can imagine that their understanding is very high. Huh? Hey, Africa, we have got a lesson to learn, but we don't know how. We need to use that word how to change our situation. Huh? Look at this. See their cars. What do we call them? Matchbox. we call them matchbox, but they move around though. I don't mind to have one to go around. From point A to point B. Yes. Let me take a picture here, then you will see what I'm talking about. Look at these ones. They are matchboxes.
This is 4 doors.
4 doors. But they are small. Oh gosh. Yeah. Wow.
Look at this.
They are very small.
Have
Wow.
you noticed these buses? They're painted, but when you're inside,
You can see outside, yeah. Yeah. But you don't see it clearly. Yeah. But people from outside, they cannot see inside. Yeah. We have counted better things this holiday. Oh, this is the bus. But we need to look for the bus stop.
2 or 3. You should be somewhere.
Yeah, another bus. There will be much bus coming, 45, whatever it is.
Oh, there's one. Give up.
So it means we have to ask for them. We have to look for the bus stop. This one is going somewhere else. We are looking for 23. Oh, yeah. Look at this, my dear. Look this way. Hey! You can see the better life. Look at that.
Is it big yesterday? Today, quiet even here.
Look, let me show you that. That's what the damage is done by wind. Look, everything is packed.
That's the bus stop.
Okay. The wind doesn't do jokes. The nature is taken his nature. No jokes. Look at that. Wow. See, my friend with the orange. Mm-hmm.
How long have you been here? Really?
You are like you are from here for 3 years.
That's good. It's easy to say. Here with the family?
Yes, my husband also just came from Nepal.
So you came first?
Yes, I came first, then I bring my husband here. Only for 2 person. Now I am planning to 3 good.
Yeah.
That is the problem now.
Yeah.
My mother always says, "Hey, you son, when you are very here."
Oh, the time will come,
Too
Mama,
much
slowly.
complaining.
Yeah. Oh, Mama, like that. Yeah. That's good.
Okay, I will do it. Good day.
Yeah.
When we will stay here, 6-7 days.
Yeah, we are living here 60 Monday and we are leaving on Saturday.
We
So
will meet you
to go to airport from there.
Next 300, next 300. There is details about
Okay.
there is distance.
And how long does it take from there to airport?
It's not a far. Where you live?
In Gitiriba. Gitiba.
Ujiba?
Yeah.
Ujiba, like 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
If you take TD,
Yeah.
then it is very near.
Okay.
They will like a fast.
Like an express. Yeah.
So which number
TD 13.
Okay.
But you have to ask the driver, the airport is very near.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then sometimes TD will go later. TD will go.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you. Atokea wapi? Mm.